There's Levi. He's got his 270 with him.
Yes, he does.
He's ready to go fishing. Are you ready to go fishing, Matt?
I am ready to go fishing.
All
Yes,
right,
I
let's.
am.
Here it is. We're gonna try to catch some catfish. Levi and his gun. All right. Well, here we are. We're fishing. No fish yet. We got a new captain in the realm right here. Oh, Levi. Look at him. He's the natural. We got the little heater going. It's a little windy, rainy, but it's pretty nice in here. I think we can weather a pretty big storm in this thing. Anyway, hopefully we can get some fish. Look at that. There's fish on the fish finder. Can you say hi, Levi?
Hi.
Well, we got our first catfish. We got one in the boat. Matt caught some sort of sunfish earlier, but that's it. 2 fish so far. We're not done. Levi with the fish on here. Good job,
Okay.
Levi.
Oh,
Good
all
job,
right.
Levi.
That's a smaller fish.
That is a small one.
We have that.
Levi, nice job, buddy.
All right, well, we got the little ones, so.
We got into them. We got a few on the boat now. Anyway, my phone's charged. I think I'll be able to film some more. All right, I'll keep you posted.
That was,
We're out here, evening fish.
that was a nice one.
Matt, how you feeling?
Fire,
Good,
Dad.
good. I just missed a nice catfish.
He just missed one.
Got
we-
the hook a little early.
We got Levi and onto a fish today.
He was on the bottom hook too. He shredded that worm pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on. But yep. And that was on the one closest to the bank.
We're anticipating a whirlwind flurry of catfish. The winds died down. The rain stopped. You can see it's looking pretty good over here. There's the rod. We got another one here. Another one here.
Wait.
I missed your
Another
fish?
one
I'm
there.
sorry, but
Matt, how many fish do you think we're gonna catch?
oh, 300 or 400. Right. Ah, whatever we get. Whatever we get. So we got 4 on the boat. And we're just gonna keep plugging away.
There you go. Beautiful out here. We'll have more. Levi, pretty good sized catfish on.
Real, bud.
His dad's helping him.
Real.
Nice fish.
Okay, ready? Real. I'm gonna go down. Okay, I'm gonna call up. All right, now reel down. Okay, hold it. And go up. Okay, now reel. Okay,
Good
hold
job,
it.
buddy.
Hold it. I'm going up.
All
Okay,
right.
now reel.
Dude,
Okay, hold
that's
it.
awesome.
Up. Okay, hold up. Reel.
I can't do it.
That's a big one, bud.
Oh, that anchor rope.
Oh, is he in it?
No, not yet, but close. That's a nice fish right there.
That's a dandy.
Oh, yeah. Oh boy, that is a bruiser of a fish. Good job, buddy.
Good old night crawler.
We got big fish.
Got it? He fought that pretty good. Good job.
Yeah, buddy.
Right on, man. Levi, right here, buddy.
High five, bud.
Good job.
High five, Dad.
I can't get him.
Nice.
Good job, guys. That is a nice catfish.
He's a small
That's a
one.
nice one.
Yes,
Good
it is.
job,
Yeah.
buddy. Good job, Levi.
He's fun.
All right, there we go.
Right here, the wall.
Another fish here. Watch the tip of that pole.
I don't think he's as big, but I think he's on.
He's angry.
We just landed this one. We got another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fish
Fish on.
on.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
He's not as big. Here, bud. Levi, you want it?
Yeah.
You want to hold it? All right, reel.
Nice, nice. Look at this. This is what it's all about right here.
All
Watching these
right,
little
bud,
kids.
that's a perfect fish. Okay, that's good. Stop. That is a perfect one.
Yep.
Those are delicious.
Good job.
Okay, look out, bud.
Right on.
We
Nah,
got fish.
good job, buddy.
Come on. Let's get that.
Yep.
On that top hook, too.
So we got 1,
2,
2
3, 4,
in
5.
less than 5 minutes.
And we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're in the fish. We are in the fish.
4. We got 4.
Yep. 4. What's
6.
how many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There. That's right. Good job, buddy.
Whoa! He's blood everywhere.
Awesome.
He's bleeding out.
Good job. Well, Matt,
Yep.
pretty relaxing, huh?
Oh, yeah. Beautiful day.
Inside this thing, we got the heater going. Levi. Sorry about that, buddy. I don't know why this light's coming on, but
Welcome to start.
it's really cozy in here. Got all the poles out the back.
You the pizza crew. You the pizza crew. You the pizza.
The most important of all, we're all catching catfish. We're catching them. Got one on, Matt?
Yeah, he's
Yeah, we got one on here.
Yep. Get you going, bud. Keep you going. All right, reel it in. It's another little smaller one, but that's okay. We like those.
Look at Levi
Good
fishing.
eating. Crank that baby in here. All right, keep going. Oh, he's on the bottom hook. Okay, that's good. We're there. All right. Oh, he is a little dinker.
Little catfish. Good job, Levi. Good job, buddy.
I got fish.
We're catching them.